Welcome to Best Way Auto Upholstery. I've been doing auto upholstery for 20 years. I have excellent experience in managing an auto upholstery shop. In 2015, I had started my own business, gathered an excellent team. I guarantee you will get the work at a high level. Best Way Auto Upholstery does a wide variety of auto upholstery, upholstery repair, interior restorations, car custom interior, repairing and replacing convertible tops, fabric roof covers, and more. Best Way Auto Upholstery takes pride in providing the best auto upholstery in Los Angeles and California. We have an excellent team of automotive experts who spend countless hours working on unique and custom car interior designs every day. As car lovers ourselves, we take this job very personally. Our goal is to provide the most high quality of auto upholstery work. Every day we come into the shop and love the job and the people we work with. This commitment and joy are then passed along to the quality of work that we do for our customers. No project is too big or too small for us at Best Way Upholstery, and every job gets the detailed attention and dedication it requires.